No, I have a little bit of a question for you.
Tell me what you think about me.
No, stop. Wah 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 wah.
You nana.
Wah.
Eh,
I don't
do
know.
do da dee da do da do. Also, Mark, I was quoting Mark of the Week, which was paraphrasing Duran Duran. So denied.
Oh, just speedrunning it.
Yeah. I've got my turret out so I can get away with it. Done, go.
I've got £8.50, £3.50 from that one. And I got £3 there. £10 in there.
Alex, to the door. Go to the
door.
door.
The door!
Carson's dead?
There's someone at the door, Neil.
No surprises there. I've heard of that Mobley guy.
The door. The door.
I can't do
You
it!
fool! You were too late. You activated that half a second before I died, or after I died.
You know I have a play for 2-0, right? I can farm these things quite easily.
I'm. What? Sorry.
Oh, what?
Sorry, I was gonna go.
It sounded like you were whirring up, and at the end of it, you were just going, Juanita.
I was gonna go well aware of it. I was gonna well aware of that, but it just like.
Juanita.
What do you think, Juanita?
Dallas.
I just got lost in that. Right, okay.